Chapter 13. The Importance of Discipline. Discipline is the training given to a person's mind and body, enabling him to obey certain rules. It is the training or way of life aimed at self-control and conformity. A disciplined person is one who knows and does the right thing in the right way at the right time. From the time of birth, a person is trained to be disciplined. Parents and elders are the early trainers. As the child grows up, school and society take over this great responsibility of training him or her to lead a disciplined life. The do's and don'ts, as well as the many rules and regulations, are meant to impart this training. Above all, there are the religious laws and rules to instill in a person the importance of discipline. Man is further helped by his inner voice or conscience. As we look around the universe, we see that there is discipline everywhere. The planets and their movement show that there is perfect discipline. The same discipline can be noticed in the plant world as well as in the animal world. We can easily imagine the consequences of nature not following the system of discipline. At home and at school, we are trained to be disciplined. We have to do our work at home. We are asked to keep our things in order. We are asked to do little jobs like looking after the younger children or buy things from a nearby shop. This type of training we receive at home. When we fail to obey, we are scolded or beaten. We do them out of fear. At school, we have to keep quiet in class. We have to do the work by ourselves. We must not move about in class. We must pay attention and do our daily homework. We must attend class every day and be punctual. We do all these things because we are afraid of punishment. It is what we call externally imposed discipline. We often hear about the discipline in the armed forces. They are very strict and any indiscipline is severely dealt with. This is called military discipline. All such practices are good and necessary because they train people to be disciplined. But actual discipline is self-discipline. That is, one does the right thing because one knows it is necessary. It comes from inside and not because of any fear of punishment. Doing the right thing with no one watching or supervising and with no promise of reward or threat of punishment is self-discipline. It is the true discipline. Self-discipline is what we should develop. A person with self-discipline will have all other qualities as he will have self-control. He will be in control of all his emotions as he will be the master of himself. Most of the problems of our society today are due to the lack of self-discipline in people. A lot of accidents take place at level crossings because each one wants to go before the others. At traffic signals, one can notice a lot of quarrels and even fights. People push down children and women while boarding a bus. Unnecessary quarrels take place in the sports field, destroying all the fun expected there. Every employee has to be supervised. People without self-discipline not only cause problems to others, but also to themselves. Think of a person who keeps on eating everything he gets. Think of another who does not follow a schedule in life. Such people will suffer from diseases and will not be successful in life. Self-discipline is what comes from within. Every restriction or limitation imposed on us helps to develop self-discipline. It is very necessary that we train ourselves in it. Our motto should be, I do it because I know it is right and I must do what is right. Self-discipline or self-control will take us to the path of success.